How to get refund on Temu without returning. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Temu app on your device. Now, if you want the refund without returning the item, you want to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on this icon to open up the support option. From here, tap on the section of return and refund. Tap on the returns option. You want to go through all of this and then learn about the refund and return policies. Now, if your order falls under the refund policy, then in that case you can proceed. Now, generally, Temu prefers that you return the item to process a refund, especially if there is something wrong with it. However, there are a couple of things you can do to get a refund without returning the item. For small inexpensive items, if you prove that the product is defective or not as described, Temu can issue a refund without requiring a return. This is because the cost of shipping back the item might not be worth the hassle for either party. Now for this, you want to tap on the Contact Us option at the bottom of your screen. Here, a customer support agent of Temu will be in contact with you. Here, you want to type, "Can I get a refund?" And then you want to select the order that you want to refund. After that, you will have to explain your situation in detail. Let them know that your item is defective and not as described. If your order is inexpensive, something around $10, then Temu is going to give you a refund and you will not have to return the item. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.